Hey loves, welcome back to another tutorial. This is famous tips and tutorials. So guys, welcome. If you're new here, you're welcome. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Restream app. That is a Restream site to make your videos. That's to get your 4,000 watch hours completely. That is your finding it very difficult to get your 4,000 watch hours, which is like a big struggle. But for new YouTubers today, because it has become so easy to get that 4,000 watch hours, because I don't know, that technique has been going on for long, but it started trending again when people started using it and it started working because of a particular new feature that was introduced into the Restream sites. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you're going to get all this done if you're hoping to get your watch hours quickly, and then you don't need to spend all of the time, all of the years on YouTube trying to build your watch hours or trying to get monetized if you so much want to get monetized so quickly. But like you see, this channel, this is a new channel, this is like a baby channel. I have a channel that I have up to 14,000 subscribers, so I grew up that channel bit by bits. Like, it's over 14,000 subscribers and it's a year plus. I took my time in growing that channel, yes, because I wanted my subscribers to be organic. I didn't want to rush the process. So but if you're somebody that really want to get it all done fast, you can get this Restream app. It's not an app, it's like something that is a site whereby you can use your Chrome browser to access. When you're using your Android phone, you can use your Chrome browser. Then when you're using your iPhone, you can use your Safari browser. Yes, so I'm going to be showing you how you're going to get this all done. So it's really an easy process. Yes, an easy process. You can pay to use the app. You can pay to use the site rather, or you can use the site for free. But that particular feature that I'm talking about is the loop. That is the loop. Yes, that is, you keep that video that you want to be, that is the video you want to use to go live, you keep it on loop. That means it's on repeat. Yes, that means you can spend so many hours on YouTube live because it's on loop, so you don't have to be there. But you know, everything that we are all doing have advantage and disadvantage. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be showing you, giving you all the advantages of using this Restream site to get your 4,000 watch hours. Yes, for me, what I will advise new YouTubers to do when you want to make use of this Restream sites is that you should make use of the content that is yours. Yes, or if you want to make use of another content that is not yours, make sure to edit that content very well, so that the YouTube fair use is not like you're not going to get copyright after doing your live session and all that. Yes, so that is a point that you have to keep in mind. Yes, keep that point in mind so that you do not come back to say that, oh, what happened, how come I got copyright strike after my Restream video and all that. So just make sure that you follow all the instructions I'm going to give you in this video, so that you do not come back and say that you got a copyright strike. Yes, because there are so many videos that you can come up to use and then you're going to get a copyright strike. But I will advise that you make use of your own video. You can just do a random video of yourself in your own niche, in your own content niche, so that you do not get a copyright strike. You can just bring all your videos together, merge everything together, then you come and upload them on the Restream app, so that you do not get a copyright strike. But I'm also going to show you on how to use videos that are not yours to get this done. Yes, so let's just dive into the video of today. Let's dive into the tutorial of today, so you're going to see how you're going to get this all done. Okay, so we're going to be using our Chrome browser. So we're going to just tap on pixel.com. This is where we're going to come, and then you verify if you're human. This is where we're going to get the video that we want to use for this live stream section. Okay, so I'm just going to tap what I want to search for. So you can search for anything on your niche here. The video is going to appear. It's just for you to search. If your niche is cooking, if your niche is movies and all that, everything you're looking for, you're going to get it in this pixel.com. So I'm just going to tap cooking vlog, because the channel I want to do the live stream is a lifestyle vlog, so I do a lot of things on that channel. So I'm just going to click on the option of video, and I'm going to see a different fashion video on cooking, and I'm going to use the vertical So I chose that picture. You see that I chose that particular picture, and I just crop. You can crop just anyhow you want. You can crop in, you can crop out. So I just found that this is the perfect way. So I just click on next, and then to get your videos running for so many hours, because for the purpose of this Restream, a lot of people are using it because you can run your videos for 12 hours, like as long as you want. That helps you to reach your 4,000 watch hours very fast. So for you to use that loop option, you're going to pay to use this option because it's not free. On my iPhone is not free. I don't think it's also free on the Android phone. So for you to use that loop option, you have to pay, and it's little money, $24. You can just pay as something. It's just something that you can easily access, and it's very easy for you to use. So you can just pay to have access to this feature, so you can do your live stream, because it's long as the amount of time you spend doing the live stream and the amount of persons that join that get you up to your 4,000 watch hours. So you understand what I'm saying? So you can just restream. You can stream for 12 hours, you can stream for 24 hours if you can. So I'm just going to be showing you another option on how to do this. I'm just showing you again, so you see that it's very easy for you to do. So I just went ahead to retitle it again. I just want you to know and see when the video goes live, so you see how it is done, so you don't get confused along the way. Okay, so I went ahead to schedule the time again. Just make sure to schedule the particular time you want it to be. After that, I can just go ahead to change the thumbnail as I did earlier. I'm just going to choose a different thumbnail here. I chose this particular picture, and then I cropped it, and then I pressed on next. So after pressing on next, I'm just going to go over to just mark out that part. Then I'm going to click on create events. Yes, after clicking on create events, I'm just going to go back with the arrow that is facing that part. I'm just going to go over to do this. Just watch me as I do this, since it's loading. So I'm just going to go back because it has already created an event for me, waiting for the time for the live session to start. So I just went back, and you see that it's already counting. All you have to do is just go back to the main page, and you see that your live session that you already scheduled is counting. And you see that it's counting 27 seconds, 25 seconds, 20 seconds, just like that. Just allow you to count so that you know that you are live. You can use another phone to track this, to see if you're really going live on your YouTube channel. So you can just use another phone to just check if it's actually going live, but it is going live on your YouTube channel. So you see the option of like have popped up, and I went ahead to just view the stream, and it's loading. So I'm just going to show you what happened. So you see the what is going on. The video is loading, but since it's not on loop here, you see that it's not going to play for a very long time. So this is my YouTube channel. You see that we only played for 16 seconds because the video is just 16 seconds, but if it's on loop, you can play for as long as possible. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope that it was helpful. So you can just make sure you pay to use that loop option, so you can stream for so many hours, so that you don't have to say that, okay, because that the longer you stream, the longer your watch hours. So guys, I know that you found this tutorial very helpful, and you'll be using this method to get to Restream to go live, so that you get your 4,000 watch hours very quickly and very fast. In days, you're going to get it all done. So guys, in my own opinion of this Restream site, like there are other sites that you can also use to go live. Like they have the other site, StreamYard. They have other live streaming apps that you can use to just go live on YouTube, but this is the most trendy one at the moment. That's why I'm here to tell you, and that's why I'm teaching you what I know about it. Yes, so guys, I know that you found this video very helpful, but like I said earlier, make sure that you make use of your own video when you do not want to make use of the video that I already shown you earlier, so that you do not have issues with YouTube, and so there are no issues for you at all. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I know that you found it very helpful. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, share this video. Okay, I'll see you on another one. Bye.